Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this super cute easel card with the Hello Ladybug bundle. Alright, here's my first Ladybug card. It is an easel card, a window easel card. Super cute. I have cased this from another demonstrator, and I will put her name and credit in my description. This is the Hello Ladybug bundle. So you've got the punch that punches out the ladybug and the wings and super cute spots to put on the wings and another ladybug and a flower that you can use the medium daisy punch to punch out. All right, so for this card, I'm gonna start with a piece of basic white, and I have cut it to 4 1/4 by 11 and scored it at 4 3/4 and 5 1/2. So I'm just gonna fold that, and I'm gonna start by doing a little bit of stamping of the flowers. So I'm gonna stamp them in crushed curry, and we have these cute little flowers here. I'm just gonna stamp the edges. And I'm gonna stamp some on the inside too. Okay, so I used the layering circles dies to cut out the circle. I used the, let's see, second largest circle die to cut that out. And then I cut out a ring of garden green with the third and the first. And that way I have an area to glue this little piece onto. So I'm only gonna put glue right here along the bottom. Don't put any on the top, or you'll end up gluing the piece together and it won't be able to be an easel like I did on my first card. So you're just gonna adhere that down. And then I've punched out a whole bunch of these leaves using the bow punch. And I'm gonna add these on with glue dots. So I'm just going to put the glue dot on the end and then add them to the card, just around in a circle. All right, now I'm gonna create the ladybug, but I wanted to show you first an alternate ladybug where you just punch out of black and red cardstock, stamp the dots, and then use the white chalk marker. So super cute, but I'm gonna go ahead and just stamp the ladybug. So I'm gonna start with the cute little body. I'm gonna ink it up in the black. And then I always like to look at the punch to see which way I should stamp the ladybug. So I'm gonna be stamping the ladybug upside down because that's gonna be the best way to punch it. So then I'm just gonna stick it in here and then I can punch it out. So there is our ladybug. And then for the wings, I'm going to do red, And I think I already have one stamped, so I'm just gonna go ahead and punch this one out. And I'm gonna use a little Post-it note tab to help me stick this in here. And that helps me line it up. Now I'm going to stamp the black dots on the ladybug wing. Okay, super cute. And then I'm gonna use some dimensionals to put the wings on. I just think it looks super cute when you use dimensionals, so make sure that you put the dimensionals up top so that they don't show on the back side. And then we're just gonna add our ladybug to the circle here. And I'm just gonna put dimensionals on the circle and not on the ladybug because I don't want the ladybug to stick down to the other side of the card. I want it to be able to pop up like that. So cute. And then I've already stamped and cut out this little ladybug. So I'm just going to add this one to the bottom here. And then on the inside, I've already cut out a leaf and a little flower, and you want it to be on a dimensional or two, because this is what's gonna be the stopper for your easel. And I want it to go, you can make it go like this or like this, and I want it to show through the circle. So I'd say right about here is a good spot. And then on the inside, I'm gonna stamp the sentiment. Super cute little sentiment. You can bug me anytime. Super cute. Then I stamped this cute little daisy, and the medium daisy punch cuts it out. So super, super cute that that does that. And then there's a little tiny stamp that we can stamp in crushed curry. And we can just stamp this right here in the middle of the stamp, kinda. And then we'll just grab a little dimensional and we'll stick it on there. And then we will add it over here. And then next I've cut out a whole bunch of these little flowers. And so I'm going to put dimensionals on all of these and stick them all around the wreath. I'm offering this as a free card kit when you purchase the Ladybug bundle or place a $40 order using my current host code. So please go check it out and email me and let me know that you would like this kit once you place the order. Thank you guys so much for watching my tutorial on the Hello Ladybug bundle. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like the video and leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Bye.